Welcome friends, welcome once again into my YouTube channel, and this is probably third or fourth video on the series of project management. Hope you are liking the videos, giving comments, subscribing my channel, and taking actions, because without and everything will look good on the screen, but if you don't take actions, it will have zero worth. So I request you, whatever you are learning, please start implementing and taking actions and seeing the results, right? So let's start our topic. The topic of the day is now human resource, very important topic in project management. You can get whatever kind of machines or materials, beautiful and productive machines, but if you don't have the right human resource which is motivated to do the project, everything will go in vain. People are difficult to manage. The most difficult thing to manage is people, and that is why I always say in project management, the art side of a project manager plays a very important role. How he manages the people, how he shows the leadership abilities, how you motivate the people to perform is very important. And today we're going to talk about little briefly on this. Human resource is very critical resource for the success of the project. As I said, it is very difficult to manage, and it is very important to have discipline for delivering the project successfully. Discipline plays a very important role, and this has to be done from the start. And by how you do this on the start, how you can do it at the start, by putting a right ground rules for the people who are already available at the start of the project, and the same ground rules have to be communicated when new people are coming into your projects, so they are aware of what are the ground rules of the project. Very important, and communication plays very important role here. Ground rules must be clear, transparent, and concise and practical. It cannot be impractical things, right? Individual goals must be linked with the project goals. So any person who is working on the project, he must feel that whatever he does is linked to the success of the project. If there is a disconnect there, then he will not put his 100% into it. So it is very important as a leader, you have to define the activity of any person who is working on the project, and link it to the project success and communicate with him. Then he will be able to put 100%. Goals again must be reviewed periodically, and a constructive feedback has to be given, because everyone are not same, right? All these fingers are not same. We must be able to evaluate the performance of each and every person and give them feedback so that they can improve, because if they improve, the project success is going to be better. The chances of project getting successful will be more, and that's very important to understand this. We also have to create the right environment for boosting the morale of the people, because if we, I come from project construction projects, it is very difficult. There are nothing, only cements, and you can say dusty environment. You have to create the motivation or environment for motivation, so that people can come and deliver the project there. And finally, leaders must walk the talk. Whatever rules we set, the rules are same for all, including the leaders who are working on the project. So to have a right atmosphere for success of the project, we must have right people. We must be able to impart the right training by identifying the gaps, and we also have to have team building, so that together they create an atmosphere for successful project. And I feel this is very important slide for human resource management on projects. As someone said, coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, but walking together is success. And this is very apt for human resource management on projects. Please follow me on YouTube, that is Ajaz Kazi, LinkedIn, Facebook, ajazkazi.com. And I must have told earlier, but I wish to inform you that I have created a digital course on project management, detailed course, very long course in short sessions, short modules, so that it can get in very easily. And this is a digital course available. If anyone is interested, please ping me on LinkedIn or Facebook, and I'll be able to give access, right? So thank you very much for a patient listening. Please subscribe, like, and give your comments if you like the video. Thank you very much.